When you buy an action camera, you're only getting the beginning of the experience. The camera itself is incredibly powerful, but without the right accessories, it's difficult to unlock its full potential. Whether you're filming sports, traveling, riding a bike, hiking through the mountains, recording underwater footage, or simply creating content for YouTube, the accessories you use often make a much bigger difference than people expect. Today, I'm taking a detailed look at the NEEWER 50-in-1 Action Camera Accessory Kit. Instead of buying individual mounts one by one, this kit combines a huge collection of useful accessories into a single carrying case. The goal is simple: provide mounting solutions for almost every situation an action camera owner might encounter. One of the first things I noticed is how organized everything is. Every accessory has its own place inside the carrying case, making it easy to find exactly what you need. That's something you really appreciate after using action cameras for a while, because small adapters and screws have a tendency to disappear very quickly. The carrying case itself is compact enough to travel with while still protecting all of the accessories inside. Instead of throwing everything into a backpack, you have one dedicated place where every component stays organized and ready to use. This kit is designed to work with most popular action cameras on the market. That includes GoPro models, DJI Osmo Action cameras, Insta360A series, Akazo cameras, SJCAM, and many other devices that use the standard action camera mounting system. So even if you upgrade your camera later, many of these accessories will continue to be useful. One of the biggest advantages of a kit like this is flexibility. Different filming situations require different mounting positions. Sometimes you need a chest perspective. Other times you want a helmet view, a handlebar mount, a wrist mount, or simply a stable handheld grip. Having all these options available lets you choose the best camera angle instead of trying to make one accessory work for every situation. Let's start with one of the most popular accessories included in the kit, the chest harness. This mount gives viewers a natural first-person perspective and is perfect for cycling, skiing, hiking, climbing, motorcycling, fishing, or almost any outdoor activity where both hands need to stay free. The camera remains stable while following your body movement, creating immersive footage that feels very natural. The head strap is another classic accessory that many action camera users rely on. It allows the camera to capture exactly what you're looking at, making it ideal for travel videos, sports, tutorials, repairs, camping, or any activity where you want the audience to experience the scene from your point of view. For people who wear helmets, the kit also includes adhesive mounting options. These allow the camera to be attached securely to smooth helmet surfaces, giving you an even higher viewing angle while keeping your hands completely free. Moving down the list, you'll also find wrist mounting accessories. These are especially useful because they let you rotate the camera toward different subjects without removing the mount. It's a convenient solution for activities where quick angle changes are important. The floating hand grip is another accessory that deserves attention. If you enjoy kayaking, paddleboarding, snorkeling, swimming, or any activity around water, this accessory becomes extremely valuable. Its bright color also makes it easier to spot if it ends up floating on the surface. Another useful accessory is the handlebar mount. Whether you're riding a bicycle, motorcycle, scooter, ATV, or even attaching it to other round tubes, this mount gives you stable forward-facing footage while keeping the camera securely attached. The suction cup mount opens even more creative possibilities. You can attach your camera to car windows, windshields, smooth metal surfaces, or glass to capture driving footage, time lapses, or creative cinematic shots. As always, it's important to make sure the surface is clean and properly secured before recording. The flexible clamp is one of those accessories that quickly becomes a favorite because it's incredibly versatile. You can attach it to tables, shelves, poles, fences, branches, tripods, or many other objects, allowing you to place your camera in positions that would otherwise be impossible. Extension arms and pivot adapters are equally important. These small components allow you to change camera angles, extend the camera farther away from the mounting point, or fine-tune the exact position of your shot. Sometimes just a small adjustment completely changes how professional the final footage looks. The kit also includes several quick-release components that make switching between different mounts much faster. Instead of spending time removing screws every time you change locations, you can move your camera between accessories with much less effort. Of course, you'll also find multiple thumb screws and mounting bolts. These are easy to overlook until you lose one during a trip. Having spare hardware already included is something every action camera owner will appreciate sooner or later. Several different adapters are included as well. Since many action camera brands use slightly different mounting systems, these adapters improve compatibility across multiple devices and accessories. The wrist strap and safety tethers add another layer of security. When filming over water, on a mountain trail, or from a moving vehicle, preventing accidental drops can save both your camera and your footage. There are also extension pieces that increase the distance between the camera and the mounting point. This helps avoid obstructions and creates more interesting camera perspectives while giving you additional flexibility during filming. What I like about large accessory kits like this is that they encourage experimentation. Instead of limiting yourself to one or two camera angles, you naturally start trying new perspectives. Some of those shots may become your favorites, even though you never planned to film that way. For beginners, this kit removes a lot of uncertainty. Instead of wondering which accessories to buy first, you receive a broad collection that covers most common shooting situations. It's an easy way to discover which mounts you actually use before investing in more specialized equipment later. For experienced creators, the value comes from convenience. Having so many mounting options in one organized case makes it much easier to prepare for different projects without packing dozens of separate accessories. The overall build quality also feels solid. The straps are durable, the plastic parts feel well made, and the metal hardware provides confidence that everything will stay securely attached during normal use. Overall, this accessory kit focuses on versatility. Whether you're creating travel videos, action sports content, YouTube reviews, outdoor adventures, or simply documenting family trips, having the right mounting solution often improves your footage far more than upgrading to a newer camera. Now let's move on to the second product. The second product is the NEEWER M521 Portable Desktop Mini Tripod. While it may look simple at first glance, it's actually designed to solve several everyday problems that content creators encounter. Unlike many small tabletop tripods, this model extends up to 20 inches, giving you much more flexibility when positioning your camera. At the same time, it folds down into a compact size that easily fits into a backpack or camera bag. The first thing that stands out is its aluminum construction. Aluminum offers a great balance between strength and weight, making the tripod solid enough for regular use while still remaining easy to carry during travel. The telescopic center column allows quick height adjustments, making it useful for overhead product shots, desktop videos, online meetings, live streaming, photography, and video recording. Another advantage is stability. The three legs open wide enough to provide a secure foundation while maintaining a relatively small footprint on the desk. That's particularly useful when you're working in limited space. The adjustable ball head makes composition much easier. Instead of moving the entire tripod, you can simply tilt or rotate the camera until you achieve the exact framing you're looking for. This saves time during setup and makes small adjustments much more convenient. The tripod supports both horizontal and vertical shooting. That's especially useful today because many creators produce content for both YouTube and vertical platforms like Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Another feature I appreciate is compatibility. The standard 1/4-inch mounting screw works with mirrorless cameras, compact cameras, smartphones using the proper adapter, LED lights, microphones, and many other accessories. That means the tripod can remain useful even as your equipment changes over time. Because of its lightweight design, it's also an excellent travel companion. Whether you're recording in a hotel room, at a coffee shop, outdoors, or inside your home studio, setting up a stable camera position only takes a few seconds. For product reviewers like me, tabletop tripods are extremely useful. They make overhead shots easier, provide stable close-up angles, and help create clean cinematic product footage without occupying too much space on the desk. The rubber feet improve grip on different surfaces while reducing unwanted movement during recording. It's a small detail, but one that contributes to more reliable results. Overall, the M521 is one of those accessories that quietly becomes part of your everyday workflow. It isn't designed to replace a full-size professional tripod, but that's not its purpose. Instead, it provides a fast, portable, and reliable support solution for countless situations where carrying a large tripod simply doesn't make sense. When combined with the 50-in-1 Action Camera Accessory Kit, these two products complement each other very well. One gives you dozens of creative mounting options for action cameras, while the other provides a stable platform for cameras, lights, microphones, and other equipment used during everyday content creation. Whether you're just starting with action cameras or you've been creating content for years, having reliable accessories often makes filming easier, faster, and much more enjoyable. And sometimes it's those small accessories, not the camera itself, that make the biggest difference in the final result. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tech reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.